Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com.
We begin tonight with a developing story. A massive fire is now threatening several houses in the upscale community of Beverly Hills in St. Andrew.
TVJ News understands that a house has already been destroyed as police personnel and firefighters try to take control of the chaotic scene.
Kirk Wright is on location and now joins us live. Kirk?
Now, thank you very much. Now, sometime about 3 this afternoon, fire did extensive damage to the roof of a house here at 8 Montclair Drive. Now, we can't say exactly how the fire started. We have been unable to get confirmation from the Jamaica Fire Brigade, but a resident who said she saw what happened gave us this account.
The housing agency of Jamaica has cleared a lot of land behind us, behind Montclair Drive. And now, for whatever reason, they had somebody over there bushing down the place and also setting fire, right? So we called the fire engine from early today to come and put out the fire. When everybody thought that the fire was gone, the fire had actually crept through into the property that has now burned.
Now, thank you again. Luckily enough, the house itself is still standing. The contents have been water damaged, but that same resident we spoke with, she has concerns about fires, she says, that are perennially lit around the Beverly Hills area. And she says she wants the authorities, the police, the Jamaica Fire Brigade to have greater control over the fires that are lit, and that persons should be held accountable. And now here's what she said about that.
And stop talking soft talk about sending the police out to sensitize these people that start fires. Those things in Jamaica do not work. If you don't take drastic action, you will never get anywhere, because the people here, generally speaking, do not honor and uphold rule and regulation.
And now we understand that the house is owned by the Hussies, and we know the Hussies are into horse racing. They didn't want to comment about the damage done to the house. The fire department is still here. They're carrying out some cooling down operation to the back of the premises. The police were here earlier on, and they started an investigation. But as far as that concerns, again, more residents have been saying to us that they want the police and the fire department to have greater control over the fires that are lit here very often. Kirk right here at Montclair Drive in Beverly Hills for TVJ News.